Building a hospital is full of risk, and today the complex medical equipment that goes in that hospital often poses the greatest risk of all. It doesn't matter where it's built or how big or small, we see the same issues. Change orders, schedule delays, it won't fit, where's the drain, power requirements are wrong, the list goes on, we've all been there. At McCarthy, we are builders and equipment planners that are proactively managing and in many cases assuming that risk. Marin General Hospital is one project where we have successfully implemented this delivery model through a turnkey approach. This allowed the owner to transfer all risk associated with medical equipment to McCarthy.
The traditional way that we manage medical equipment in projects is just totally inefficient. What usually occurs is that we select medical equipment and it's placed in construction documents, but actually the real medical equipment selection is done during construction. I'll give you the example. The last project that I worked on was a large-scale hospital project. The medical equipment budget was about $26 million. We selected medical equipment during the construction document phase. During construction, 90% of the medical equipment using an equipment planner changed. That corresponded to $5 million worth of owner changes in a $25 million budget, and probably 4 months, arguably, in the construction schedule. So if you start understanding the burn rate of a project with all of the costs that is accumulated during a month delay, plus the disruption of medical equipment, those dollars can be used a lot more efficiently.
We started our journey into turnkey medical equipment, and what that is McCarthy now takes on full responsibility for the validation, design, coordination, procurement, construction, and handover of everything to do with medical equipment.
At Marin General, McCarthy is a team leader. It's a design-build project. We are all working, the subcontractors, the design consultants, the engineers, the architect, all are working as a team. The addition to that is we incorporated the medical equipment component. McCarthy has done a great job as a team member, and there's a lot of satisfaction amongst the physicians, the board, and the staff.
We have taken a very early, progressive, proactive involvement in the whole medical equipment delivery process right from the very beginning. Our medical equipment planners, who are used to coordinating and discussing with the C-suite for our clients, are now very much involved in the coordination and planning early on, and are thinking more and more like contractors, looking for the risks, looking for the coordination issues, trying to find those problems that cause disruption down in the construction phase.
Throughout the entire project, from design and the impacts on construction to final installation and building turnover, we are reducing change orders, schedule delays, and cost, all while improving coordination and ensuring that clinicians really get the equipment that they need.